In commemoration of Workers' Month, the Department of Agriculture is shining its spotlight on the achievements of its foot soldiers, who work tirelessly to support farmers and help them reach their goals. At Lincoln Green Farm, one could easily assume that the department's extension practitioner is part of the household. This is a reflection of the close working relationship built with farmer Yonela Nzoboi, who attests to the positive impact of the support he has received. Through ongoing guidance and technical assistance, his farming enterprise has shown significant improvement.
Whenever you have a problem at a farm, Mr. Mkubano is always one phone call away. I even call him on weekends in terms of advisor. Mr. Mkubano, this is what I want. Tell him this and gatini. He is part of helping me in the one and the apply and also make sure that I figure just come make it I figure out can he also advised me in the one and so boy eating market umenjani utala ntoni ngoku ithini planning yakho. He helps me a lot.
The department, through its extension services, continues to empower farmers to grow their operations and contribute meaningfully to their local economy. Ms. Desianda Mkubando, an extension and advisory practitioner, has become a familiar and trusted presence among farmers in Watford in Bizana within the Willima-Tikizela Mandela local municipality. His work focuses on equipping farmers with knowledge, skills, and practical support to improve productivity and sustainability.
Kuyenye ye project ke as a youth estrivayo kakhulu lena ukudibana kwayo nami ke le project kungu 2017 simhlalele ke uMr Nzoboi into ba asiyenzi into yokusupporta abantu abahleli phansi sihamba nabantu sebeqhuba benemali ke engango 6000 rands ebesithi uyisavile from NSFAS amazambane ke yona main enterprise I believe kuyo uMr Nzoboi but I commodity yakhona I vegetable is really exciting iyagrow le project.
Nzoboi has praised the government and its partners for the continued support, highlighting how it has played a crucial role in developing his enterprise. He further explains how the extension practitioner guided him in improving his farming practices, ultimately contributing to better yields and business growth. Lo myalezo niuphathelwe liSebe lezoLimo.